Hello babies, how are you all? Babies, we see so many birds in the sky. Yes, so today we will learn a new concept that is feathery bird. So let's learn.
Babies, this is sparrow and sparrows have very beautiful voice. This is sparrow. Babies, this is pigeon and pigeons are very dirty because they do not clean themselves. This is pigeon. Babies, do you know which bird is this? Yes, tell me. This is eagle. And eagles are very intelligent and powerful bird. This is eagle. And babies, this is vulture. And vultures have very big and sharp wings. This is vulture. And babies, which bird is this? This is crow. And crows eat almost everything. It is in black color. And babies, which bird is this? This is hen. Hens are the most common bird and they can be in many colors. Babies, you all know which bird is this? Tell me fast. This is peacock and peacock is a national bird. Babies, this is duck. Ducks can fly in the air and ducks can swim also. Babies, you all know which bird is this? Yes, tell me. This is owl. Owls have very big eyes. This is owl. Babies, this is parrot and parrot can mimic human speech. This is parrot and it is in green color. Babies, this is kingfisher. Kingfisher is a very colorful bird and kingfisher catches fish from water. Okay babies, thank you.